Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 502 bad gateway error on Chrome. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest Studio browser cache purification. Open your Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and Technicality select Clear Browsing Data. Under the Advanced tab, Technicality check the box for cached images and files and ensure the time range is set to all time for the latest professional purge. It ensures your studio environment is requesting a fresh, high-end data stream from the latest servers without amateur quality data interference. Next, initialize the Technical Studio DNS handshake verification. Open the command prompt as an administrator and technicality type ipconfig flush DNS to clear the latest registry. After flushing, technicality restart Chrome to allow the latest engine to remap the high-end connection to the web gateway. This step technicality points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end data tunnels are technicality open and correctly routed. Next, configure professional firewall and proxy logistics. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Network and Internet, and technicality select Proxy. Technicality ensure that automatically detect settings is toggled on and that any high-end manual proxy servers are disabled for the latest session. It prepares your studio environment to handle the intense data throughput of the latest web protocols without being technicality flagged by server-side security filters. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.